Greetings and farewells in English. Saying hello. Hello is the most common way to greet someone in English. You can use it any time of the day, in both formal and informal situations. It's like saying hi, but hello is slightly more polite. Examples. Hello, how are you? Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Sarah. Hi is also a greeting. It's more casual and friendly. Examples. Hi, John, hi there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In English, we often change the greeting based on the time of day. Good morning. From sunrise until around 12 p.m. Good afternoon. From about 12 p.m. to 5 o'clock or 6 p.m. Good evening. From around 6 p.m. until bedtime. Examples. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, Mr. Smith. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. These greetings are more polite and formal than hello. Good night, before going to bed. Important. We don't say good night as a greeting, we say good night when we are leaving or going to sleep. Examples. It's late. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night. Saying goodbye. When you leave someone, you use farewells. Goodbye. The standard, polite way. Bye. Casual and friendly. See you later. Informal means you will see them again soon. Take care. Polite and friendly way to say goodbye. See you tomorrow, next week. If you know when you'll meet again. Examples. Goodbye, everyone. Bye, see you soon. Take care and have a nice day. Quick recap. Hello, hi. Greeting, any time. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Polite, time-specific greetings. Good night. Used when leaving or going to sleep. Goodbye, bye, see you later. Used when parting ways. That's it for today's lesson. Practice these phrases every day and soon you'll greet people in English with confidence. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.